Lesson 2: Software and its types. What is software? We are react differently according to the various situations. Have you ever thought how it becomes possible? Let us understand this with the help of a diagram. What happens when a teacher asks a question in a class? You simply raise your hand if you know the answer. But who promotes you to raise the hand? It's the brain that gives you instructions to react like this. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. Software is the soul of a computer with which it cannot exist. Fact 5. Vinod Dham is popularly known as the role of development of the Pentium professor, considered as the father of Pentium. Computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without instructions is like a car without a driver. It requires a set of instructions given by us to work on it. These set of instructions are called programs. These programs are written in computer languages. Software is the collection of the programs that are stored and run on computer hardware. Help the users to work on computer. Software is the part of the computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software are of two types: system software and application software. System software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls all the overall operation and internal works of the computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to output devices. System software is types of its own two main types: operating system and utilities programs. Operating system. Operating system is needed to operate a computer. An operating system controls overall activities of computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware. It enables them to work together. Example: an operating system works like a principal of the school. As the principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising students, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetable, circulation, and attending parents and visitors, etc. In the same way, an operating system performs various functions to manage the work of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, you cannot work on it. Fact 5. Sir Christopher Lantham Scholes is regarded as the inventor of QWERTY keyboard layout. The operating system is also required to run software like MS Word, Paint, MS Excel, etc. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, Windows XP, Windows 7, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of the some popular operating systems. Functions of operating system. The main functions of operating system are device management, means input, output. An operating system controls the work of input and output devices. Memory management. An operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. Is also free the memory when it is not in use. Runs software. An operating system runs the application software like Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, etc. Processor management. An operating system manages the working of the process by allocating various jobs to it. File management. An operating system keeps a track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy and storage files in an organized way. Security. It provides security, means the passwords to prevent measure of a computer. Utility programs. Utility programs perform specific tasks usually are related to managing the computer, its device or its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of a computer and help to perform better, accidentally erased, and so on. These include antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, security, and network programs. You can buy various utility programs from licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on internet. Antivirus utility. They provide protection of your computer against virus attacks. They include tools to recover lost files and protect your machine against system failure. Backup. This is the process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally, a hard disk may fall, resulting in the loss of all files on it. Hence, an intelligent user keeps his file backup storage devices so that the original files can be restored at the time of such failures. Example: CD, flash drive, etc. Comprehension. It processes the shrink files so that less data, less disk space is occupied. These files cannot be read directly and must be decomposed to their actual from before use. Example: WinZip, PKZip, 7-zip, etc. Application software. These are sets of programs developed by programmers in order to perform specific types of jobs like beautify the documents, making calculations, arranging data in organized way, making airline or railway reservation system, etc. Computer languages are used to make these types of software. They are called general purpose system. File fact. Samuel Robinson founded MicroPro internal Inc. in 1978. MicroPro made the world-star word processor. Let's know more. VisiCalc was the first computer spreadsheet program. Word processing software. Word processing software helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and effectively. It provides many features to change the text in a desired manner. You can easily add, delete, rearrange, or beautify the text to produce a hard copy of the document as required. Example: MS Word, WordPad, Writer, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program helps you to perform calculations and display data in the form of a chart analyzed in a better way. It is used to creating documents to manage and organize numerical data. Some of its application areas are financial accounting, cost analysis, interest calculations, etc. Example: MS Excel, Lotus 123, etc. Database management system, DBMS. Each one of us uses database in our daily routine unknowingly. For example, managing telephone diary, phone directions, payroll information, etc. Database software help us to arrange the store a large amount of data of information in an organized way. You can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print, and retrieve the information stored in database. Examples: MS Access, DBase, Fox Pro, Oracle, etc. Fact file. Charles W. Patchman received Turing Award in 1973 for his outstanding contribution in database technology. Desktop publishing software, DTP. This application allows you to combine both text and graphic features to design professional documents like newsletters, print forms, advertisements, books, brochures, posters, magazines, etc. Example: Core PageMaker, etc. Graphics, multimedia, and presentation software. It is known as fact to pictorial representation, provides a better way to understand the concepts. This has become possible with an aid of various graphics, multimedia and presentation software. Graphics software. It is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons, and much more. Example: Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, Dreamweaver, etc. Multimedia software is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics, and text with higher degree of interaction. Example: games software, Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, etc. Presentation software is used to present an idea or concept. This software helps us to create display slides on computer for business and educational purposes. It lets you to create slides, charts, animation, and video clips. Example: PowerPoint, Flash, etc. Points at a glance. Software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on computer hardware and help users to work on computer. Software is of two types: system software and application software. System software consists of programs that controls all the operations of a computer and its devices. Utility programs perform specific tasks usually related to manage computer, its devices or its programs. Application software are a set of programs developed by programmers in order to perform a specific tools of job.